Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use LangChain with Azure. So basically to use it you are going to be needing to bridge both of these, and to bridge it you're going to be using the API key configuration. So you can configure the OpenAI package to use Azure OpenAI using the environments variable. So you can see the following for bash. So you can use different kind of variables. So you're going to be simply copying it and use it to bridge between OpenAI and Azure. So only when you will be able to do this, then you are going to be able to actually bridge and use Azure with LangChain. So you can see I have already the platform LangChain. You can see the deployment section. Let me just go back to my dashboard. Okay, so here we are, and I already recently created an API key, as you can see here, and we have different kind of models and everything. So you can basically use uh, Azure with along using the API key as well, and I hope this helps.